Hello guys. So Davido was present at the just concluded CAF award show which was held in Morocco guys. So before I continue, I would appreciate if you click on the subscribe button so as to get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. So Davido was live at the CAF award show which was held in Morocco, and he joined Emmanuel Adebayo, who is a former player of Real Madrid, to present the award to the best male African footballer and the best female African footballer. And the best male African footballer went to Mane, who is a present player of Bayern Munich, and also the best female footballer is our very own Oshola, who is a player of Barcelona. So share your opinion in the comment section, and also if this video was enjoyable, I would appreciate if you subscribe. Peace.